Welcome! If you're tired of Telegram constantly suggesting popular stickers every time you type an emoji on your PC, you're not alone. While some people enjoy this feature, others find it distracting or unnecessary. The good news is that Telegram gives a full control over this setting, and turning it off only takes a few seconds. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can clean up your chat experience. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top left corner of the app. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, find and click on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and behave, including stickers, emojis, and other interactive features. Now, keep scrolling until you find the option called Suggest Popular Stickers by Emoji. By default, this feature is usually turned on, which is why Telegram keeps showing those sticker suggestions. To disable it, simply toggle the switch off. Once it's turned off, Telegram will stop suggesting popular stickers whenever you type an emoji. And that's